CNN Most of today's Western diets. Seaweed and water plants were once a basic food for ancient Europeans. Found an analysis of the protected molecules on the fossilized toothplate. According to Study Nature Communications on Tuesday, it was difficult to determine confidential taste of revenue for food-rich plants and algae in archaeological record. Previous research argued that the promotion of farming began about 8,000 years ago to stop eating seaweed. In Europe, in the 18th century, the seaweed was accepted as a famine meal or only for animal feed. Karen Hardy, a professor of archaeology at the University of Glasgow, said, "It is very exciting to show that sea moss and other local freshwater plants have been eaten for a long time in our European past. The toothplate can reveal a lot about old diets." Diet connection with the sea. Archaeologist team York University Glasgow and United Kingdom examined teeth 74 early people in 28 archaeological regions Europe, including northernmost part Scotland, southern Spain Lithuania. The oldest areas examined in Spain and Lithuania dates back to more than 8,000 years, while the last one was about 2,000 years old. Researchers, 37 samples of 33 people in dental accounts bacterial sun and teeth accumulated the teeth. Identified chemical markers were able to detect, and 26 examples. Menu revealed that there are seaweed or water plants. Toothplate. It is very common and can only be removed by scraping after developing. This is what dentists do as a part of the cleaning process, Hardy explained. But in past, especially in the small space between teeth and gum, most of the archaeological skeletal materials are common in the past according to the study. Seaweed, freshwater algae, water plants. 3 types of organic compounds, lipids, amino acids, alkylpirroller, very flexible biobelirts, protection, detection of different, extraordinary complex organic chemistry has. This is a special combination of biobelirts that allow us to identify seaweed and water plants. He said, other plants have their own unique biobelirts, but in the archaeological contexts, they tend to survive less well in archaeological contexts than algae. So we can say that seaweed and water plants are swallowed and therefore consumed for this reason. But all the foods consumed, bizmutlaka, or consumed, do not take a full picture, which may depend on valid environmental conditions. An analysis of the samples showed that old people ate red, green-brown seaweed or at least chewed, and that there were various freshwater water plants such as belly vegetation of the same kind. Buckley strongly shows that nutritional benefits of seaweed are well understood by these ancient populations, that the nutritional benefits of seaweed continue their diet connections with sea. The ruins examined and those in Cairns or tombs in Orkney and islands on shores of Scotland also revealed biomolecular evidence of seaweed consumption.